My name is Rosaria Ferreo. I am from Karansalim, Belgium. I was diagnosed for cancer, breast cancer, and I went through surgery. And after 1 year, it was on 4th November, I completed 1 year. I prayed to Saint Francis Xavier wholeheartedly, and he really did a miracle in my life, and I was cured. I did not go through chemotherapy or radiation, nothing. Only I went through surgery, and my next report, which came after the surgery, it came normal. It did not spread anyway. The time when I was told that I was diagnosed for cancer, when I came to know about the cancer, I was very scared, and I prayed to Saint Francis Xavier, and if I'm cured, I will come to Roma. So as soon as when the surgery was done in November 4th, so the first novena of Saint Francis Xavier, I attended the mass, I prayed for him, and it's the second year now. It's 4th November 2024. I'm completing 2 years of this cancer, and since then I've been coming to Old Goa every year, the first novena, and every novenas I'm going to do, because he has cured me and he has done a tremendous and a fabulous miracle in my life, and I'm blessed. Thank you.